Hi, my dear students. Today, ICI have cancelled the examination. Now we are all preparing for November 20 examination, and you cannot come face-to-face class. We are in Corona time. So, in Let's Pass CA, what I am going to do is I am going to offer you all the classes through online mode. Basically, compared to North India, okay, South Indians coaching through technology is very limited. We have to accept the fact, because I've seen YouTube is full of Hindi videos and high technology they are using, so it is in next level. We have to accept the fact that the YouTube videos from South Indian faculties are far lesser, because here there is no a common language. Only English is the common language. Tamilians speak Tamil, Kerala speak Malayalis, here Kannada, there Telugu, everything. Now, English is the only language which, as of now, which can unite us. So, I am planning almost all these revision videos. It's there in YouTube, but it's also telecasted from my Let's Pass CA website. So you can go to letspasssca.com website and you can watch my free revision videos. I am coordinating with other faculties also, and I am providing revision videos in my website. So my aim is to give classes in English. Now, if you want to buy video classes, you can very well approach me. You can see the demo classes, free revision classes in letspasssca.com website. And all these faculties, you can approach them. So I'm not talking bad about any other faculty, because they become legend already. According to me, if I am a student, I don't want a legendary faculty. I want a faculty whom I can approach. So all my faculties whom I am going to give you reference, they will take class in English, and you can approach them through WhatsApp or anything like that, any medium of messaging. And these faculties will reply to your queries if you have. And if at all that faculty is not replying, you can ask me the doubt. I can clarify all your doubts. Let it be any subject, okay? Like it can be 8 subjects in inter or 8 subjects in final. I can reply if you bought videos from Let's Pass CA website, because I have second line, third line people also who are all chartered accountant, who are qualified enough, who will become faculty maybe in the future, not today, because according to me, they have to concentrate on their practice as of now. They have to concentrate on their employment as of now. They cannot take class, or they will not take class today. If the faculties to whom I am not, if I am referring to whom I am referring you, if they are not replying for the messages, you can approach me. I can make this second line and third line people to reply to your messages. So any CA qualified student can able to solve your doubts. That is for sure. See, now we have to go for this aggressive mode. We should not wait for that. No, the God will reply. No, it is. We have to teach lessons to those legend people who are not replying to our messages. Because yes, everyone studied from legendary faculties, and legend, yes, maybe in teaching methodology or teaching style they can be legend. They should not become the God level. That means unapproachable level. A faculty should be in approachable level. That is when, okay, the students can get good marks, because in the classroom we will never get doubt. Only outside the classroom, only when we have started studying, we will start getting the doubt. At that point of time, if the faculty is not approachable, then what is the use of going to that faculty? I will tell you, it is not necessary for me to go to that legendary faculty. Yes, he may become a legend, okay, let other people go to him. According to me, any faculty who is approachable, who is good in knowledge, okay, I will give you demo lectures. You see the demo lectures, okay, he will be good in knowledge. But that advertisement, that marketing, yes, it is very difficult to make, because only if you go behind the brand name, like listed company launching the classes, or other companies which is like spending 30 to 40 lakhs in promotion, only those faculties are getting famous. Other faculties, there are so many good faculties. I'm telling, there are so many good. You people are not approaching. You want only like, no, everything come to your hand. If everything comes to your hand, then that faculty will be in God mode. That's called what? God mode. That means unapproachable level. Okay, if you want to pass, okay, let other go to them, leave them. Okay, if you are okay with me, if you are believing in my words, then approach me, message me, WhatsApp me 9940512888. Let us create some revolution in this online coaching. Okay, faculties from Chennai, okay, are ready to give you a personalized coaching. If you have doubts, you can message them. Okay, so you approach me, I will guide you, because I cannot take all the classes, but there are faculties who are good from other institute. They are not from my institute, please understand. It's not like, no, I am popularizing my institute, nothing like that. There are from different institute, but Chennai based faculties, Tamil Nadu based faculties. We are now improving the technologies. We are now available in online video classes. Okay, so for both IPC level and final level, yes, final level is already done. Superb faculty team is there. They are in different academy. I am just consolidating them. That's all I am doing. It's not anything against anyone. I am just improving. I am trying to improve our region's quality. That's all. And I am just consolidating them. Today I heard that one person from Trichy, he didn't even know that Chennai faculties are providing online classes, Tamil Nadu faculties are providing online classes. So he is buying, even though he is not fluent in Hindi, he made to buy Hindi videos. Okay, we don't know Hindi. Obviously, he know for sure. Sir, I know only a little bit here and there, sir, but I don't know Hindi. But I don't have any other option. See, options are there. I am here to guide you for that only. You have to believe and come here. Then only, see, only if you start coming here only, we will also start investing on technologies. We will also do great videos like what they are doing. And we have to accept the fact today we are less compared to them in technology wise. Knowledge wise all are equal only, but technology wise, yes. But in future, within 1 year or so, the technology also will come to us. Okay, we are started investing in technology, but only if you people start buying from us, we can invest in the technology, because this technology costs 3 to 3.5 lakhs. Okay, so only if so many number of students are buying, because editing is there, video quality is there, somebody has to take the video, somebody has to edit the video, somebody has to invest graphics, all those things are there. But it is possible for us in affordable cost, because I will tell you, the team which we are consolidating, the videos for first group itself, totally it's coming to 30,000 rupees, including books and other things I'm telling you. So instead of buying like 12,000, 15,000 rupees of videos from somewhere else, which you cannot even approach, if you have any doubt, you cannot even approach them. If you have some problems, for example, books are not come. Sir, I bought a video from Pune, I bought a video from West Bengal. They have not supplied you books. What you will do without books? SCMP video, FR video, SFM video you are buying. Without books they are sending. Sir, soft copy how much time, how much means like how many hours you can see the soft copy? According to me, you need a physical book. Okay, soft copy, yes, to some extent, but not 100%. If you are a traditional guy like me, I need a physical book. I have to mark there. I have to use this marker, pen, pencil. I have to scribble. Then only I will be like, yes, I studied this page. But if you are that keen to buy only the videos from the unknown person, sir, say there are some faculties who are overrated by Telegram and YouTube. Telegram is paid promotion. YouTube, there are so much of paid promotion, commissions, etc. Because of that, the good faculties here, they are unnoticed. I am telling you, I am taking effort to consolidate. Okay, no ego, nothing. I am going outside my academies or anything. I am just consolidating. I am bringing in good faculties team. So you have to believe me and start doing your studies. Go to letspassca.com. See the demo videos, see free revision classes. All our faculties are going to give you free revision classes. You need not pay any paise. You can just go letspassca.com, see the revision classes. Okay, all different faculties are there, from different academies are there. I am keep on uploading the videos as of now. Today we have uploaded some videos, some portions videos or some subjects videos, but within few 1 or 2 months I will upload all. Before you are going for your November examination, before you do your final revision, all this 8 subjects videos will be uploaded there. You can take it from me, but make sure you are supporting us. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.